You know what the simple thing about 1 and 5 is? About the Mars numbers that come together? Creates 11. Eventually, it'll create 23, but in the simplest form. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3, 3 and 2, the reverse. IT system in the sun. Well, what's one of the greatest things about 5? Is that when you divide any number that ends in 5, it'll always end up to have no remainders. Now, when it comes to 2 and 5, which is the Earth number, okay, first of all, we didn't finish with 5 yet, but we will. When you divide anything by 1 or 5, it'll always be the same number. 5 will always make it half of 1. When it comes to 2 and 5, it becomes 2 and a half, right? 1 and 5, okay, it's 5 to 1. 2 and 5, it's 2 and a half to 1. Okay, together they create 3 and a half, and that is your cycle. 1 movement plus 1 quarter, because it takes the coming out roll. It takes the first quarter to get into the day of man, because man starts as a quarter. So until you run that clock past man's angle, you haven't done anything at all. Now, we're going to go to 2 and 5. What's great about 2 and 5 is it cuts everything in half. Multiply anything times 5, and it'll actually be half of the whole number of it was. All of its number is 1. 5 and 1, it's so perfect. 2, we'll double it back up and make it itself again. And divide it by 2, it'll be half, just like 5. 25 to 100 is a quarter. 15 to 16 is a quarter. We're going to walk the 40 steps before Moses crosses through the water. And things are put together in a moment of time. Raphael 7286, talking about 125 memory. Thank you for watching. MB132. One little joke at the end of this. One of the Hebrew letters that many people want to eliminate is the second letter of the alphabet in Hebrew. Thank you very much. And the second letter, in fact, most people like to eliminate is the second letter twice, because in Spanish, the B is exchanged for a V. So the second letter in Hebrew is bet and vet. B-E-T, V-E-T. B-E-T is 2. 5, 2. V-E-T is 2, 2. 5, 2. Life as the extraterrestrial, terrestrial means earth, space. Ter is earth. Thank you.